good morning, good afternoon to everybody, wherever you are in the world. So I'm Jen. I work for ParallelDots, and we're a leading edge computer vision provider. We're specifically focused on manufacturers and retail. Little bit about us, and I'm not going to bore you really with who we are, where we're positioned, and who we work with. But just to give you a little bit of an insight that we do work with some major retailers and manufacturers globally, and we do have a global market presence. So I know some numbers have been batted around already with regards to on-shelf availability and the cost and impact that this is having on retailers. And a recent study showed that the impact of not maintaining retail shelf compliance is about $1.2 trillion a year. So I think that's quite a formidable figure, really, and it's something that we need to be addressing. How do we do that? How are we looking to do that? So we undertook a study with a number of retailers that we work with, and we wanted to really get some insights from them as to what challenges they were facing and what were the real methods that were creating a problem that would give us some insight into how we could overcome them. And what they said to us was from there were, and these three key challenges, were at different stages for, each retailer, but these were the focal points for them. And that manually within store, barcode scanning was an issue because it's done manually, as we know, human error. Third-party audits, while sort of having a third party to undertake the retail audits can be really expensive and so not feasible for scalability either. Complex planograms, with customized KPIs, this was a challenge as well in store. So introducing, the key to unlocking these challenges was ShelfWatch. So ShelfWatch is an advanced image recognition platform. So shelf retailers, through using ShelfWatch, they're really able to gain visibility of their on-shelf availability and redress out-of-stock items, allowing you to focus on, the customer experience. That's what we want, isn't it? We know when customers go into store, we want them to have a really great experience. And as retailers, focusing on those, contracts that you have with your suppliers, that's absolutely key. But in essence, giving you an overall perspective of what's happening in store. So how does ShelfWatch work? So ShelfWatch, in essence, and quite simply, it captures, can be used by your store associates to capture what's going on the physical shelf. So this is through either a mobile application or fixed camera solution, both in coolers, or above the main aisles. The images then that are captured are uploaded into the ParallelDots server, where then all the data, the analytics and the recognition takes place using our proprietary software. Anything that's non-compliance based on perhaps your planogram, your assortment list, your perfect store KPIs and metrics, or your North Star metric. Insights then are delivered instantly, within real time, obviously given internet connectivity if you're using the live application or on device recognition, where obviously you don't need internet connectivity, and then delivered directly into our retail management platform or integrated directly into your SFA or internal systems, which we're able to provide a service solution for that as well. Another differentiator, or one of the key kind of assets, I suppose, of ShelfWatch, and what we find that we do.
I'm watching a European webinar on shelf availability.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, I don't know. You're being heckled by someone. Don't worry, carry on, Jennifer.
Oh, no, that's okay. I don't mind a bit of heckling. I'm used to that. I'm from Wales. We get heckled all the time. It's fine. So yeah, so what we noticed as well was that, or one of what was posed to us by many of our clients was that when they have promotions or there's, you know, a number of SKUs, you know, that are being updated through new product development, traditional image recognition really wasn't as intuitive and fast as, you know, they wanted it to be. So if you've got a promotion that's lasting 30 days, or you're launching a new product and you've just got that short window of opportunity, you know, to get it on the shelf and start analyzing, you know, the effect of that product. In many cases, image recognition really wasn't working as well as they'd like it to. So we created Sati, which is our proprietary software. It's a portal where with just one image, a retailer can upload, you know, that SKU. Within 48 hours, the AI is already recognizing that SKU on the physical shelf. Naturally, you know, the more images that are captured as the store associates are undertaking their audit, you know, the more, the greater then the accuracy level would be of the image recognition. But this is, you know, what we call a game changer in the marketplace, and we've seen such a huge uptake of this solution.
Brilliant. Just slightly over the 6 minutes, I did want to get a question in from John Valesa from Procter & Gamble. John, how is Canada? I hope it's good. Any questions for Jennifer?
Hi, John.
Hey, Jen. I just want to say I thought it was a great presentation. I think it's cool technology. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Oh, great. Thanks very much. And hi to Canada, as even though I'm speaking in my Welsh accent, I am actually Canadian also. So great to connect.